Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you what I got for my anniversary. Late last month, my husband and I celebrated our wedding anniversary, and it wasn't a huge, like a milestone number, but we are getting up there in the years, and I try as much as I can to commemorate it with jewelry. Sometimes I offer some suggestions, but he usually pulls through, and he got me something from Cartier that I wanted to share with you. And then I got myself a little something from LV that I will also share with you. But before I get to that, I wanted to first share with you some jewelry I recently received from Hautecarat. They are a jewelry company based here in the USA. They hand make all their jewelry in Chicago. So their diamonds are 100% real. They are 100% chemically similar to mined diamonds, but because they are created in a lab, it is 100% more ethical than mined diamonds. And if I could go back in time to when I got engaged, I would have preferred a lab diamond versus a mined diamond. And as much as I love my engagement ring, I still wear it. There's that little bit in the back of your mind where you're like, where did this come from? How was this sourced? So going forward, I would want all my diamonds to be lab created diamonds like Hautecarat. This video is not sponsored, by the way. They did gift me some jewelry, and I just wanted to share with you some options if you're looking for an alternative option to mined diamonds. They ship free worldwide, and they have a 100-day return guarantee. And they're also available at Nordstrom. So if you're looking for a way to earn more points, maybe bump up to icon status at Nordstrom. But if you do shop direct with them, you can use my promo code A Heated Mess to save 10%. So just to share with you the first jewelry I have from them, it is this pair of oval inside out hoop earrings. And I don't have the best lighting, but if you guys can see how sparkly this is. You know what's so funny? The first time I saw inside out hoop earrings was on TV. It was on Oprah. I was like a teenager. And she was wearing this gorgeous pair of hoop earrings, and they were so sparkly because the diamonds go all the way around the front and then they flip so that they're all the way inside. So if it's very shiny, you just, and you like, as you're turning your head, it just sparkles. It's so pretty. Another great thing about these hoop earrings, they're very secure. So I'll take this off to show you. They have this clasp here so that it's impossible to separate it unless you push this down, and then you can pop it out. So in order to close it, you also need to push that down. So it's very secure, very safe. I tend not to wear big earrings for that reason. Also because I have 3 boys, and when they're babies, toddler, they're just, when you're holding them, they have a tendency, like, I'm always scared they're gonna yank them out of my ears, but these are really secure. And now that my kids are older, I definitely feel a lot safer wearing these. These are so pretty. I can't get enough. I've worn these every day since I've gotten them. All the jewelry from Hautecarat is either, I think, 14 or 18 karat recycled gold. And so if you have allergies, these don't irritate your ears because it is 100% real gold. And even me, like, I have long hair, they still just peek through. Look at that. Shine right through my hair. Yes, the oval inside out earrings. Okay, next is a necklace. And I was already wearing it since I got it, but I had to put it back in the case to show you. The packaging is gorgeous. They gift wrap everything. It is stunning. But this is the case where the necklace comes in, right? It looks like a radiant cut, I think, stone with facets. So when you open it up like this, it has a light. Ah, look how cool. It is so cool. I just love that little extra touch, this packaging. It just makes it so much cooler. When I opened this, I was like, oh my gosh, it's glowing. And it literally is glowing, but from the top, like not the jewelry, but the jewelry is very sparkly. So this necklace is called the Mixed Shape Diamond Bar Necklace. This is in the yellow gold. This also, by the way, is in white gold. I got a mix of jewelry because I like mixing my jewelry. There it is. You have emerald, round, oval stones. It just is stunning. It's hard to pick this up. I'll try to insert close up so you see, but I like, how cool is that box? So you lift this up, and I'll try this on for you. The necklace is great because it's adjustable. So you have 3 different loops here to close this up, and then a lobster clasp at the end. So I'll put this on the longest length because I have a low top today. I've been wearing a lot of rose gold jewelry, but I love mixing all my jewelry. I don't know about you guys. I love mixing the metals, mixing the colors, but this is available in white gold or yellow gold. And look how pretty. I love that bar, all the different shapes. So it goes with whatever stone your rings are. And then speaking of rings, I also have this set, also from Hautecarat. This is the Radiant Cut Halo and Pave Diamond Engagement Ring. And then the petite diamond band. This is a separate band. This is very similar to my engagement ring, which is platinum, but I got this in rose gold because, you know, sometimes I like to mix my metals, and I like that the band can also be stacked with other rings. I would probably stack this with my existing wedding ring set. So if you want to have a different option, you can always get a second set. This can be a great travel ring set. If you are in the market for an engagement ring or an upgrade, they have a great upgrade policy where you can trade in your engagement ring and upgrade to a larger stone, and they will, I think, buy it back the original price, which is a great upgrade. The ring is 2 carat total weight in diamonds. The center stone is a 1.23 radiant cut stone, which I'm not familiar with this cut, but it's so pretty. It's similar to an emerald in that it's kind of a rectangular shape, but it's radiant, so it has a lot more facets and it makes it a lot more sparkly, which is, look how so pretty. I've gotten nonstop compliments on this wedding ring set also. You'll be seeing much more of Haute Carat in the future. I will link everything below that I have shown you. Again, you can use my promo code A Heated Mess to save, I think, 10%, or you can purchase it from Nordstrom if you want to earn some points. I love their mission. I love that all their diamonds are drama-free and lab created. So definitely check them out if you're interested. Haute Carat necklace, earrings, and engagement rings or wedding bands. Just a little something from LV. And this is actually something that I picked up myself because it just was so cute. I couldn't help it. This is it in the box. I have kept it in the box. I did take a little peek just to make sure everything was okay. It is this little set. It is just a piece of fashion jewelry. Their little pouch. How cute is that? So I got from LV. These are the LV Pillow Nanogram earrings. It is a set of 2 ear cuffs. I love ear cuffs. If you have been watching my videos, you might have known that I also got the Hermes ear cuffs, and I actually have them right here. So I'll compare the sizing. So here are the LV ear cuffs. So it comes in a set of 2. These retail for $340, whereas the Hermes ear cuff, this small size, retails for $285. For the one. This you can see is a lot bigger. And then even still, if you saw my video comparing the two, I also got the large ear cuff, which just does not work as an ear cuff for me. I do plan to repurpose this as a scarf ring. So that's the large size. Here's the small size of the Hermes. And then even smaller still are the LV ear cuffs. It's from the Pillow collection. So if you have seen their pillow shoes or like their bags, it's supposed to look like it's kind of puffy and inflated, so very cute. I'll try on the earrings for you here. The opening of the LV ear cuff is also a little smaller than the Hermes one, so it's a little tougher to get on, but this is it. So you can see it's a nice secure fit. This definitely is not going anywhere. Very cute ear cuff from LV. And then finally from Cartier, my husband got me a piece of Cartier jewelry. I love their packaging, guys. I'll try to insert the video of me unboxing it because it had the beautiful wax seal and everything. So I've already opened it, but here is the box. And if you've seen my other Cartier unboxing, it was my first piece of Cartier jewelry. You might know what this is. So my husband got me a necklace. Here's the box, and it pops open like this. And there it is. It is the Cartier Trinity necklace. If you watched my other unboxing, I also have the Trinity ring. And what I love about this is the Cartier Trinity reminds me of my 3 boys. It's a mix of the rose gold, yellow gold, and white gold. And similarly, the Trinity necklace are the 3 rings in the rose gold, white gold, and yellow gold. So I'll lift this up. I also like that the chain is a rose gold. Up close, it's very dainty. And then it has a little diamond up there. So a very pretty solo diamond with the 3 tiny rings. So I'll go ahead and try this on. This also has an adjustable length. It has 2 loops. Here are the necklaces. So we have the Haute Carat bar necklace and then the Trinity necklace. Now the Trinity necklace, they do have a few options. I got the kind of mid option. There was a larger one with more diamonds. There was one where one of the rings was made of diamonds, but I like the smaller one. I like that it's a little daintier and that I can layer it with other necklaces because I do like to layer my necklaces. All right, I adjusted the necklace so that the Cartier necklace is a little higher up and then the bar necklace sits lower. So then this is pretty because then it's kind of sitting right in between my décolleté in the center. And then we have the bar necklace below it. Very dainty for layering. So with that, that is everything that I got for my anniversary. I just like that they all go together. These are, again, all different colors. The Haute Carat white gold I can wear with the yellow gold bar necklace, and then the rose gold engagement ring set. I have my Trinity, Cartier Trinity jewelry to kind of tie it all in together, even with my little LV cuff. So let me know what you guys think of all of these new jewelry pieces, and also what you guys gift each other for your anniversary. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Hautecarat, for sending me this beautiful jewelry. Definitely check them out if you have not already. I will link everything below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.